Hi, my name is Brittany. I'm a service advisor here at Oakridge Ford, and today I'll be talking about how often wiper blades should be changed. Here comes the rain. Sounds like a song, but if your windshield wiper blade is old, torn, or worn, that pleasant feeling can turn into a nightmare. Let us at Oakridge Ford give you our wiper wisdom. Change your wipers every 6 months. Spring and autumn are the best times. These blades have a hard job keeping up for windshields free of rain, snow, leaves, and who knows what else. By changing them at least every 6 months, you can be assured that you have the best wipers. Because of all the things that we find on our windshields, wipers can crack, chip, rip, or even get too dry. These cause havoc on keeping your windshield clean. You know when you wipe the blades and then one section never gets cleaned? That's a bad blade. A good clean wiper will keep your windows clean and make sure it's safe to drive. When buying your wiper blades here at Oakridge Ford, we will happily install them at no extra charge. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, and thank you for watching.